She was giving away her expertise on every discovery call, 1 hour of consulting, real answers, real questions, but then the prospect would say thanks and disappear. Sound familiar? Well, my client had been doing this for months. Great calls, valuable advice, no commitment. We built something different, the paid diagnostic. Instead of free consulting disguised as a discovery call, she'd charge for the session itself, qualification questions up front, a sales script that positioned the diagnostic as the product. She had some pushback in the team. Maybe she doesn't have enough deal flow to start charging. Maybe she needs some more volume. We ignored that and ran it anyway. First call using the new script, sold. Second call, sold. Third call, $878.90, sold. 3 calls, 3 sales, $2,500, 100% close rate on a brand new model. And this is what I've observed about free advice. It trains people to take and leave. You give your best thinking, they get the value, there's no friction, so there's no commitment. Paid diagnostics flip the dynamic. The person paying has skin in the game before you start. They're not browsing, they're buying with intent. And the diagnostic itself becomes revenue. The sale isn't after the call is the sale. My client didn't need more lead flow. She just needed to stop giving away the thing people would actually pay for. If you're doing free consults right now, you already have a product. You just haven't priced it yet. I can help you do that.